No, he's not ashamed of it. He knows.
Dog.
Guru. My fucking goat, bro. What's up? How you doing? Oh, are you excited for the early access today? We're both gonna play, right? Type shit. Type shit, we're both gonna play. Excited for the stream?
Oh.
The sponsor stream we both have?
Should I go like that?
Ah, that was too soon, that was too soon. That's probably too soon.
Look at my ammo, thanks. So. Let's look at armor.
Let's go crazy now.
Four,
They're probably gonna have full dive, so
two,
it's not bad.
Oh.
My strength is renewed.
I'm dying.
It is a dark jungle out there in the universe. Behind you. I'm injured. I need the herb. This is sovereign land.
Oh hell no.
This is where we strike.
Think I'm fine, he's never catching me. Not today.
Tastes like the hot shit herb.
Might be.
Okay, I got blaze throw. Yeah, I can have like full dive with torch.
willing to help? I like the
I'm gonna go torch and just kill him. And fuck the dive.
a nice deep freeze.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Halfway there. Keep going.
Snuff me out.
Holy shit, everyone's looking at me.
I am ready to put on a show.
I can match.
Dodge this.
I mean,
Really could have used a mind blip.
I just got 100 to do.
Supernova.
oh hell no, wait, you're leaving me. Thank you.
Wow. Over now.
A nice deep freeze.
Supernova.
Can't see what kills boys. Got no change. Right up here.
Oh my god, how are we losing so hard? Yo, I don't think Wolverine's a pick here. They have a lot of ungrabbable heroes.
Nice, okay. Let's go. I can actually die.
Tremble before fast.
Watch your back.
I'm counting on
Yeah, this kind of sucks.
Behold, Darkgiles! Unite!
only 60 seconds left. You really could have used.
Bro, he's on support. He's doing his job. Stop bullying him.
Fire, bro.
He's literally doing his job.
Fear yourself.
My team! We have to step it
Get
up!
that vehicle moving again.
Can you help me with this guy? Back line?
Make sure your firewalls are up for this.
Supernova!
10 seconds. Turn around quick. Fire mode.
Yeah, res.
I am ready to put on a
Wait,
show.
we have triple support.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Anyone willing to help?
Supernova!
Hit the grand finale.
Like a day at the spa.
Disappear!
I have nothing.
A nice deep freeze.
Dude.
They're gonna flag it.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Has anyone even killed these two?
Yeah, res still.
Once, I guess.
Tremble before fast.
Behold! Karma!
These are you guys.
I don't TP.
Double KO.
They don't have any heal.
No, I don't have a slam. I forgot it's like 2 years.
Powering up.
Can't wait for Phoenix. We're getting it soon.
I'll push them.
For the win! Ooh, that felt nice.
Very soon, very soon. Indeed.
Let's cook some more.
Someone scratch my back.
A nice halfway there. Keep going.
Storm Sips unite!
They're so low, kill them.
Disappear.
Okay, I need to leave. That's fine. That's a dog shit. I'll just get out, don't die to it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Come on, let me heal you. This place is worth a good look.
Any kind of
But can I get a heal? Maybe. Oh, we have 3 supports.
I was trying to save our Luna that was getting died on the right side. I couldn't get to you.
Quite a magical.
Yep.
Okay, how about we try
Yeah,
this?
so how did it go? Did you save her?
No, because she wasn't picked. She was not on my LOS. I tried to get in, but she was on the right. You can check replay if you want to.
Seconds left. Get that vehicle
I don't think I will. Kill the panther. Oh my fucking god, no one's looking at him.
That fucking hurt! Dodge this!
More bad guys. Just what we need. Tremble before fast.
You don't have dash anymore? Inside.
This is actually just.
There you go, point. I will.
Get that vehicle moving again.
This is so troll.
I am ready
Okay.
to put on a show. A nice deep freeze.
Let's cook some more!
Please send it.
10 seconds.
Come on.
No.
Oh, wow.
Big guys.
Double KO.
So I'm
Yeah,
dirty.
penalty.
You'll have to
For you
keep
guys,
fighting
I'm
until
dirty
we have a
fucking
winner.
support you guys. I
That's
hope
3.
this guy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back off, dude.
A nice deep freeze.
Don't step on lava! Ooh, you got burned!
Nice.
Go girl. The vehicle
Alright,
reached
guys,
the
that was
checkpoint.
supportive.
Keep up the momentum.
No, I'm
You
going
want to
crazy
do it
now.
first or no? I'll first. That's fine.
Out first, bro.
Okay.
That's fine.
First,
I won't
for the
take
one.
accountability. I'll just blame Necros for this and go on a support strike.
Yeah.
Whoa. What'd I do?
They're ahead of us! Dodge this!
Oh my god, what the fuck? Holy shit, the shield broke instantly in an instant. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, he has no dash. Penta no dash.
A nice
Kill him.
60 seconds left. Fire mode.
Spider mode.
Any kind heart
Guys in the air.
to heal me?
Thank you.
This core is the only thing that can stop Ultron. I like the code.
Both very mad.
Let anything stand in your way.
Okay, just guys, you work it for us.
I got it, guys.
Oracle ball.
Down to 30 seconds.
Hey, team! Enjoy the fire!
Fuck this guy. Dead. Whoop. Magic along behind.
The final 10 seconds.
Got it.
I am ready to put on a show.
I think we win with my. Did they just keep me alive?
Trying out here. Fuck me.
I'm trying to focus.
You're right.
I don't.
Yeah, it's fine. I can manage. Tell me when it's over.
Yes. Point, guys. Point. Nice point.
What kind of world is this?
Double KO.
Magic along.
For the win!
I don't know. I get it fucking.
That's 3.
Dodge this!
I'm back in 5 to 10 seconds, guys.
we're
Hold
losing.
on for now.
Fuck, we're losing.
Coming result.
Kill supports, guys.
Share your firearms or else
We have one, we have one.
Okay, he doesn't get reset.
Got your back.
No.
Oh, good.
The current
I was not the
score
worst
is
performance I've ever seen personally, but it was not good. But it wasn't the worst. Yeah, it's fucking AMZ.
Be your best self.
Oh, hell no.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They're ahead of us.
Okay, I can say that.
Wait, Azra, is there Spiderman on the right side? I saw something like fighting.
Okay. We kill.
Oh hell no.
Man, what? Okay, we're trolling.
Oh, no, I got a fucking zoo backline. No.
What the fuck is here?
Better stop that vehicle.
Focus on focus on our tank and focus on your Luna.
Yeah. I can go point here.
Don't push up too far, you're gonna get pulled off by the way.
Don't step on
I'm not behind.
I'm spinning.
A nice deep freeze.
Day at the spawn.
Come on right here.
What?
Let's cook some more.
No rush anymore.
Oh my god, she just ran into a billion mines.
Disappear.
I can ult this.
Oh, I can hear you.
No point.
She's dead, nice.
I'm sorry.
My bad.
He's stopping in their tracks.
What will you do? Fuck!
Fuck, bro. No, Leopard pussied out.
Another hit for Luna Snow.
Värdes.
Air support's just sitting this thing.
Yeah.
But I shouldn't have missed that to be fair.
Mine too.
My wall's bigger. Look how much bigger my wall is than his. My wall is so much bigger.
Supernova! Feel my veto! Don't mess with the amazing
I am ready to put on a show.
Yeah, it's right saving you, man. Sorry.
No.
I'm feeding our Luna back in. She has up. Hold on
Should I
for a bit.
TP?
No, we
What
can
the
walk.
fuck, bro?
Fast mark bubble.
Only 60 seconds left.
Magic, magic. Go bubble.
There they are.
No bubble.
One. Don't run out.
Back low.
Nice.
Spiderman left side. Top left, Spiderman. Top left.
Holy.
Don't step on lava.
Maybe have us.
My sister?
No. Fuck.
Nah, that's. I might also still die.
Yeah. Just don't die, dude.
Okay? Ult as soon as Mac is no bubble.
Yeah. That's what I'm playing.
Ah, raccoon.
Dodge this.
The final 10 seconds. A nice
Raccoon,
deep
raccoon.
freeze.
Like that, go there.
Wait. I'm waiting for invisible jump.
Ah, raccoon. Just take a break that thing.
Okay, just hold on one. Hold on fine. I'm gonna.
Go in this, guys. On point.
Got invest.
I am ready to put on a show. I like the cold.
Can you heal Luna?
Don't!
Okay, fast out invisible.
Don't!
Play slow. Force it.
Good fuck now.
We have it.
Nice.
Like a star Necros. Wow.
Final
Right like a star.
I told you,
Zero.
full
Good job,
guys.
Necros, good job.
Positivity, guys.
Well
Positivity.
played, well played.
Okay.
Nice game, Necros.
Don't look back.
GG's.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Wait, this is my second. This is my third account. This is my third account. This is my third account.
Battle starts in 5,
No.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You don't get the flake. I give it to my flanker.
Necros, do its tank.
Left off.
Until my soul got good.
Let's go, Frenchef!
Oh my god, he's one. That doesn't count as a div, surely. This guy knows I'm here, by the way. A very suboptimal combo. Very suboptimal combo, by the way. Terrible combo. Never do E. Never do E second. Or, yeah. Second.
Necros, can I have a kitten Imperator, please?
That's not a bad wall. Maybe I'll remember it.
This is just the half the wall of the whole point.
Guys, I have 300 healing.
Oh, maybe heal more?
Jumping into an awakened soul might not be a good idea, man. Yo, touch. I'm gonna ult them and you stack your fire on me, okay? You stack your IQ.
Bro, what is this? You can't climb this
We're
road.
not gonna tell you to dive, you dive in, okay?
No.
That's why we just have a
Hell no, bro. Wait, I'm gonna watch some BP.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, no man.
I'm joking, I love you.
I don't.
Where the fuck is their backline, bro?
I require healing.
Wait, you're gonna be smooth sniffer? Okay, I love you.
My aim is true.
Let's put the Wi-Fi afterwards.
Jump so hard.
Guide my spear.
Trying. He's one. He's actually one. He's literally negative health. Oh my god, he didn't die somehow.
Guys, look at Crook body. Look at Crook body.
Yeah.
What's this?
Coming in fast.
Surprise flank, bitch! Why did he get bubbled? No fucking shot, bro. No shot. This whole team, his brother, his mother, his uncle, his 2 cousins, his sister, his mom, his dad. Everyone is there, bro. Are you serious when I'm making the best play of my life? Type shit.
Ah, yes. Much better.
Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah, I didn't mark.
Require healing. Back to the
I'm
beginning.
going with a touch.
It's the grand finale.
Oh!
Only 60 seconds.
No, don't spit on me!
Powerful healing.
Score 1. Oh, hell nah. Where the fuck? What are we fighting? Yeah, fuck that magic, I guess. Bro, I think BP is actually shit into BP dive. Or into BP magic. You're like, why is every game double dive DPS? I'm trying to just like farm like a Hella or some shit. Why can't I just have an easy game? Why everyone play BP now? He's not that good. Holy shit. No, I clutched this, I got the clutch gene, trust me. Oh fuck, I don't got the clutch gene.
It's fucking good.
No, give me a second. Oh.
What are you doing?
Wait, what do you mean? I can't play this shit, bro. They have undivable characters. And Mag and Thor peeling.
I want him angry, bro. I want him to give me back shots, angrily back shots, bro, please. I don't have the terminals. I get it.
You don't have a BBL. I have a BBL. That's why Necros
Big
wants me.
bunda, no BBO. I hear that.
Powerful. Tremble before fast. Tremble before fast.
How mad are you? How mad are you? How mad are
I
you?
have a Floyd.
You are outmatched.
What?
Another chance to strike.
Oh, fuck. How does that not hit, bro? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I had like 15 people. How mad are you? I'm pretty mad. I'm pretty mad.
I had a top.
Damn right.
I had a top going all over the places in the backline.
Nah, don't worry. Daddy's got it.
Thank you, Daddy.
BP that.
Still a chance to stop.
BP behind that.
Push this one. Oh, I'm gonna die. Don't let me touch it.
Only 60 seconds left.
Help me!
Oh, you're dead. It's 150 damage.
No,
Oh,
no,
you're
Penny
too
man,
high.
no, Penny man.
Go guys,
Another
go.
chance to strike.
Lot of thunder.
Oh my god. No, they're hyper aware.
Healing.
No. Who the fuck? Which one of you have been traumatizing these support players?
Technology, young lady.
They're starting to like,
Necros, show them who's the last guy.
Guide my spear.
bro, they're starting to like
1 HP.
Oh, you
react to the
think 21?
vibrations of my ass cheeks, bro.
Down to 30 seconds.
I'm not even joking on BP. They didn't know before. Not like even a slight vibration. They sense something's off with the environment.
Gets the world.
I am your king now. There, I'm back again.
Final 10 seconds.
One thing. Go, big ult.
No, bro. No, bro. No. Why does he turn around, bro? TSP mode.
Guide my spear. Tremble before blast.
Oh. I'm actually bad. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know. No.
10 and 6, bro.
Oh, I can't do more. Like 0 heals, 0 space. I have a soul tank Penny.
No, there's a big slow and you can do it.
No, you're asking for it, bro.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Penny. I'm gonna try mine.
I'll destroy it as well.
What? Okay, there was no link between the two of them, but sure.
Now I gotcha. In another timeline, we're still friends. Gonna get sticky.
Oh,
I can be
bug.
more reckless
Guys,
now.
what's about it?
Spider Slate. Hey, we make a pretty good team. Round and pound. Now I gotcha.
Fuck the singling, bro. Big kills. Imperator alt account? It could be.
Now I gotcha.
I keep my for single. Luna, don't ult, okay? If single, okay?
Soling, do you soling?
Round and pound.
No.
Singing lullabies. A nice deep breeze.
Luna, do you copy?
I can be more reckless now.
I use my ult if single. Don't use yours, okay? In case of
Okay.
single.
Round and pound.
Basically, we have 2 defensive ult and they have no tank.
Wait,
ult.
you can't access this health back until this shit's broken? At all? You actually can't go down there. Or what? I didn't even know that.
I'll be back with you.
Crack the whip.
Us against the world.
Round and pound.
I can one-shot him.
Can you?
I couldn't.
Oh, he's so bad.
No, he was in the ult, bro. What do you mean, Kev?
Thing is close to a volt. Having ult. Wait, it's not
Better
thing,
than
my bad.
I put some pep in my step. Don't mess with the amazing.
Oh, it's so sticky, it's so sticky, it's so sticky.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Spider-Man is ready to
Oh,
Oh.
mob spawner type shit.
Oh, guys, it's super
Gonna
low,
get sticky. Out there, headed our way.
Take bubble, Luna, and
He is on.
that's what it's like.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Now I gotcha.
Oh, wait.
Oof. That's close.
Can be more
Wait,
hey,
impregnated
some
AFK.
love over here.
Bro, my drink spilled all over my chest. My chest is so wet now.
Your hairy at chest?
Yeah, my hairy chest is so wet now. My drink
Oh,
spilled.
can you send pictures, bro? Send me some pictures, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not Necros. I'm not getting anything.
Aw. Necros, if he sends it to you, can you send it to me, please?
Yeah, I can.
Nice deep breeze.
Thank you,
Oh,
thank you.
only you can see my hairy chest.
Nah. How dare you gatekeep?
DJ is Mac Bubble.
Spider Fist is ready to punch.
Oh, AMZ, you don't know what that is, bro. You don't know what I can do.
Yo, he's not denying it. He's not denying it.
No, I didn't hear what you said.
Pep in my step.
He's not denying. Necros.
Don't mess with the amazing Spiderman.
Big.
Once I get you stuck.
Born again!
Us against the world.
Gonna get sticky.
Yeah, fuck that Jeff. Kill him. But how's he getting healed from
He did
here?
die on his own.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Daddy, chill.
Feeling good.
Necros.
Spider slam.
You
I don't
fucking,
look at
you
that.
fucking dumb bitch. You stupid fucking idiot, Jeff. You dumb asshole.
They could do with a bit more limbs. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, the big fighting is crazy.
Listen. Oh, this guy.
Gonna get sticky. Spider slam.
What was he cooking?
I don't know, kill Mag though. Mag one.
Spiders don't forget.
Cloak no pain.
Round now I got you.
It's what? It's what?
Oh my god, Necros, you're so sticky.
Necros.
I'm gonna interrupt that.
Oh, do it again, bro. Do it again, bro. I'm watching you do it.
I interrupted Strange.
Oh my.
So easy. Just better, just better, just better. I'm just better. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, 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 yo.
Calm!
Fucking Imperator, bro.